What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You can see what I got going on right here. This is the Ecstuning X-Pipe for my C7 Audi A6 3.0T. I'm gonna try to get this installed today. A little tired from work, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it to a local muffler shop and have them install. I think they only need to make 2 cuts on the rear of the exhaust before the rear mufflers, and then the rest of it installs just like factory. So I'm gonna head by there because it's supposed to be raining later today. So, and like I said, kind of burnt out from work, so I'm gonna go ahead and let the shop do it. Let me get loaded up and then we'll see what it sounds like, and then we'll go from there. Let's see what it sounds like. You guys already know what this sounds like. Actually, it's been same exhaust setup I've had in the probably like the last, I don't know how many of you have had this like this for a while. Only thing I did was the down pipes and the I got the IE down pipes. I think I did a video on that, and it's the non-resonated down pipes, but I took out the middle muffler too, and I just had them weld some pipes in. Not the prettiest, but matter of fact, let's see what it looks like. Let's see if I can see. You can see right there. Just had them cut out the middle muffler and weld in some mid pipes. Let me rev it, see if you guys can hear it at all. Yeah, as you can hear, it's pretty raspy, but it's still got the stock muffler, so like it at idle and at most speeds, it's still pretty quiet. But sometimes when I get on it, it's real loud outside the car and raspy. So I think this X-Pipe is supposed to help the tone a little bit. It's probably not going to necessarily take away the rasp, but it's just going to help the tone a little bit. But let's get headed over to the shop and I'll see if he can fit me in today to get this in. You guys hear what it sounds like when I get on it. You guys, first shop I went to, they were closed, and so I came to another good shop. But this is the old pipe right here, and you can see it has a factory X-Pipe actually in it. And you can see the ugly welds, and it wasn't mandrel bent. So this new one should be flowing a lot better too. All right, y'all, see the X-Pipe right there. The other one is usually further up. You see the sway bar I just installed. All right, we'll see how it sounds in a minute, y'all. Oh, let me show you guys the front. I had 2 vibrant resonators put in before. These are the IE down pipes. Looks good. And I'm over at Eddie's Mufflers in Compton. This guy does real good welds. If you guys need some work done, come here. Because so far, the places I've been, I brought the, when I had the TT, I had my TT pipes put in, this is where I came, and that was my first time coming here. And when I saw him do his welding, his welds are real good. Not that. Another shop did that. But come here to Eddie's Mufflers in Compton, if you guys are in Compton, of course. All right, you guys, we're done. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, I could tell already. I've been driving about, like I said, I just left the shop. So I drove, only been driving like 5 minutes, but right away, of course the rasp, you can hear it, but it's not as much rasp as before. So the rasp actually went down a little bit, and the rasp, I noticed that the rasp doesn't come in as soon as it did before. So that's a good thing too. And then the exhaust note sounds a little bit throatier too. Only thing is, this pipe, I noticed when I picked it up, this one is actually heavier than the factory mid pipe that was cut off, but you know, not by a whole lot. So just one thing to note, it feels like it was almost the weight of the upgraded rear sway bar I just put on. That's what it felt like, about the weight of it. So yeah, still loud, but not as obnoxious as it was before. And then I noticed, like, at cruising speeds, it's quieter. But before, that exhaust had leaks in it too, so that might be something too. But this sounds a whole lot better, and this should flow a lot better too. But when I get to the house, I'll get out the car so we can see how it sounds at idle. All right, you guys, I'm back. I noticed the exhaust is, like I said before, it sounds a lot quieter. But, you know, like I said, that's probably because I had an exhaust leak. But, and you can hear the, I think you hear what that sounds like. But, let me rev it a little bit. So yeah, still loud, but it sounds a lot more tamed than it was before. But that's gonna be it for this video, y'all. I'm gonna be probably be doing some parts reveal of some parts I just got, and probably also reveal something big I got coming up for this car pretty soon. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.